Welcome back guys. Today we are going to install Windows 8.1 via USB flash drive in my laptop. If you need to install or reinstall Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 in your laptop or desktop, then watch this video till end and you can easily install Windows via USB flash drive. So let's get started. Before start the video, this video also available in Hindi language. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then click on I button. If you have come for the first time on our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and to press the bell icon in order to get all the notifications. First of all, you should have a pen drive at least 8 GB and a Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 ISO file to create bootable USB drive. In this video, we are going to use Rufus software to create a bootable USB drive. If you don't have any ISO file like Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, then just go to official website of Microsoft and download ISO file. We also provide the direct link to go to download ISO file. Just select the edition and language and download it. Before you download Windows ISO file in 64-bit, you need to know your system can support 64-bit or not. Let's see how to find whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit system. Go to desktop and right click on this PC and select properties. You will see the system information on the next screen. In here, you should look for the system type as you can see in this image. It says 64-bit operating system. A computer with 64-bit processor can run both 32-bit and 64-bit operating system, but a computer with 32-bit processor cannot run 64-bit operating system. If your computer operating system corrupted and you cannot know your system is supported 64-bit or not, then you should download ISO file in 32-bit for the safe side. Now we create a bootable USB drive by using Rufus software. Rufus is a free and open source application. Download Rufus if you have not already. You can download the portable version if you don't want to install Rufus. We also give a direct link to download this software in description box. After downloading, install and open Rufus. Plug in USB drive and you will see it in the top. Once you see the drive, click on the select button and in the browse window, go to where you have stored your ISO file and select it and click on the open button. Also, you can drag ISO file and drop into Rufus. If you not see your USB drive in Rufus, then click on show advanced drive properties and tick list of hard drives. Now you will see your USB drive. Next step is click in partition scheme box and select MBR or GPT. This is the most important step to create a bootable USB drive. Check the partition style by using these steps. You can view this information in the disk management tool included with Windows. To access it, right click on this PC and go to manage and then go to disk management. After it, click on here and select properties. Click over the volume tab. To the right of partition style, you will see either MBR or GPT. If you can't know your PC partition style, then try first MBR and then try GPT because MBR is most common partition style and older than GPT also. Now we again come to Rufus software and select MBR portion style if you are trying to use this bootable USB drive on the older system. Select the add fixes for the old BIOSes. Checkbox under the advanced drive properties. If you select GPT portion style, then under format option to ensure the flash drive is capable with UEFI, select FAT32 for the system. To create the flash drive with the press 1 key to boot from USB, prompt at startup, then go to advanced format option, select create extended label and icon file. Now click on start button and after few minutes your bootable USB is ready to boot Windows. It will also format your USB drive, so save your important data which stored in USB drive. Next step is how to set BIOS setting to boot USB drive for install Windows. Now restart your computer and click F2 or escape button or press specify button as your computer manufacturer. In our case, we press F2 key to open BIOS setting to set USB drive as first priority to boot Windows. Go to the boot tab as you see on your computer screen. Adjust setting and set USB drive to first boot device. When you are finished adjusting your settings, you will need to save and exit by using save and exit key and restart your computer again. Now you will see that your USB drive boot and installation process will start. Setup language and click next and then click install now. Now you should have a product key to process the installation. If you don't have a product key, then go to Google search engine and search product key for Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. Now accept the license terms, choose custom Windows only, and next step is delete primary partition in which your old Windows stored. And now create a new partition and click apply and click next on the bottom right side. Your Windows 8.1 is being installed and it will require several reboots during this process. Once it being installed, please don't switch off your computer and also don't remove your USB drive. After reboot, please follow on-screen instructions to personalize computer setting. Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 is now installed successfully. If you like this video, please press the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.